start rolling.
Clear room on this side, Joe on the left side. You cleared the right also. Alright, Eric, we coming around the corner.
Copy. I do have that big truck parked on the left up here by the light. You should have plenty of room there.
Copy.
We're gonna have these slapsticks here.
Yes, we will roll over. Keep the rear clear.
And I'm gonna stay with the car.
Go slow, go slow.
I will touch them, but I have no option.
You touch the white post.
Yes, I know.
Keep going, Joe. You're good. You're clear now.
Clear now.
Guess I get beside you, Mark.
Come on. And let's start after the underpass.
Please block the left side of the rear.
Go ahead, Joe. Alright, nothing bothering you. You have a big ditch out on the left, Joe, and a curb on the right.
Copy.
In the grass.
Copy.
Go ahead and follow out with it, Mark. I'll get that formation.
I will need to take the concrete here.
Look good.
We're clear.
Copy. At the rear as fast as you can block the lanes.
10-4. One left.
I need both.
10-4.
You got both. How did I pick up?
17.
Copy.
Clear.
Jerome, please block the right side. Don't let anybody snitch under the load on the right side, please. That's good.